Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do nail tutorial. So a lot of people are asking me where I go to have my nails done because they said that it was nice, it was pretty. And nowadays, if you have your nails done, unless you have extra money, and I, for one, I don't want to spend a lot of money, right? But I like all the glamour, I like all the nice stuff. I will try to find those nice things, and on top of that, it's something that I still can afford. I need to maybe learn it, and that way I don't have to spend a lot of money. I mean, you're still spending money, but it's not as much. So anyways, I am using a press-on nail, and last time I was able to try Claire's, I did Kiss, and today we're going to try Kiss again. I know I don't like this type of nails, but I'm still gonna try it, whatever. So I am going to try these type of nails. See that? They're like sharp thingies, right? So disclaimer, I am not a professional nail artist, if that's what you call it. So I have another thing that we're going to use, which is I got from Amazon, and this is kind of like those UV lamps. It's a small lamp. I mean, it helps a little. It would have been better if it's like those heavy duty ones, because we're gonna try to see if we can attach some kind of like little gems on it, or like rhinestones. See that one? They're not real, but I mean, we can try. I got a bunch of them, which is this one. They come in this. I also got it on Amazon. If you'd like to get it yourself and try it yourself and kind of like practice on it, most certainly you can definitely do so. I also got the glue, or the gel glue that needs a UV lamp to kind of like cure it, which is this one. I don't know what it's called, but it's Y & Debond gel, soak off UV. Okay, and I got this little thing as well, which is dirty, that you will use to actually pick up those gems. So what you do is you put that in there, kind of like dab a little bit of the little, it's really not glue because it's not sticky. You have to actually dry it under the UV lamp, and then you'll just have to pick the gems and then you put it on your nail. So we're gonna try that and see if that will be successful. Let me just show you what happened to my nails. So if you're gonna try this, make sure you're ready and prepared. Otherwise, if you want to stop using it, go ahead and stop doing it and kind of wait for your nails to grow and cure. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what happens to your nails if you keep putting press-on nails. And this is what happens when you keep using press-on nails, or if you're doing acrylic, it damages your nails. Okay, so this is what happens to one of my nails. I don't know if you can see it, but ew, right? So it's pretty much damaged, okay? So I don't recommend this for those that have really, really thin nails. I have very thin nails. I just gotten used to doing it, but I have removed it already, and it's been, the press-on nails have been off for like, I would say maybe 2 days. So I'm kind of like not used to it. I'm like, okay, you know, maybe it's time to, you know, kind of do it again. So I'm gonna try it with this stiletto nails. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, I think it's called stiletto nails, or oh yeah, stiletto nails. So there's the coffin ones, which is kind of like flat on top. I should have done that, but I can't find any. And so I'm gonna go ahead and try Kiss and see if that works out. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready when you are. So what we're going to do first is we're gonna file the front, kind of like just to even it out. So you're gonna file it. All right, so after we've already filed it, okay, I filed it the best that I could. I've already chosen the nails that I'm going to use. So these are the ones that I'm going to use. Alright, so I have filed my nails as much as I can. Kind of like to smoothen it out. And I've already chosen the nails that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go with this first small one first. And I'm going to go ahead and push the cuticle a little bit so it'll have space. So the secret for it not to come off easily is that to get it under the cuticle. So I'll show you how. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the glue that comes with the product. Okay, and then we're gonna just go ahead and put a little bit over here. Not a lot, just a little bit. And you kind of tap it like that to kind of go down a little bit. Alright, now here's a secret over here. How we're gonna do it is that you have to push it to the cuticle, and then just, that's the reason why it's called press on, because you're gonna press it. There you go. So there's a little bit of glue over there. I'm just gonna clean it. All right, so there it is. It's like a little vampire teeth or something, right? It's up to me if I can go ahead and kind of file that a little bit over there. We'll see later. All right, so I was able to go ahead and glue all the nails. There you go. Some of them, they have like bubble in there, but that's the reason why we're gonna go ahead and color it. So I'm gonna use the LA colors, and this is color number 111. It's kind of like a gray. So I'm trying to see, maybe I want to do a matte color, so we're gonna try that. So as you can see, I put it all the way like it's my real nails, right? So we're gonna go ahead and color the nail. I like this color, really nice. All right, so I have already cleaned it. So I wanted to do a matte color. Okay, so I'm using a Wet n Wild Shine nail color, and this is how it looks like, right? I've been using this a lot. I like it. It says matte top coat, so you can see that. And this is Sinful color, and this is just like a clear one. See, so you might want to get the matte top coat, which, you know, I kind of like the matte, but you'll see the effect, the reason why. I don't know, for some reason I started liking matte colors now. It's starting to dry already, as you can see, right? So you can see that it's starting to dry already. So what I'm gonna do, let me see if I can brighten up the color a bit. There you go. There you go. So it's already drying up. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the lamp and dry it real quick for you guys. Okay. So now it's looking dry right now. Okay. Looks good. You see that? It's matte already. Let me brighten up the screen for you guys. So what we're going to do is I'm gonna use the Y and Debon gel, if I'm saying it correctly, and this is how it's gonna look like inside. And I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna grab one of my little thingies over here, little rhinestones over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this and this and that. So here's what we're going to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little bit of the gel, and then I'm just gonna put it on top like that. See that? There you go. Okay, make sure you have enough. Okay, and then with the use of this, you still have a little bit, right? So you go grab it, it should stick with it. Just put it on top like this. Okay, let's wipe it and clean that thingy so it doesn't have it. Okay, it's in the middle. I don't know. Let's see. Not in the middle. Move it a little bit over there. Right side. There you go. So you got one rhinestone over there. Right, we got one. Okay, and then we dial into the next size, which is this size. Oops, one came out already. There you go. So again, you go and grab like a little bit of it. There you go. See, this one is not sticky, and that's the reason why you're gonna have to cure it in the lamp. Okay, so we got that. There we go. Okay, now you got that. We're gonna go ahead and dial into another size, which is this one. So again, we'll do the same step, and we'll just put a little bit over there on top. It's good enough for that thing to stick. Then grab one, oops, and put it on top. Okay, oops, moved. There you go. Okay, and that's it. It's as simple as that. You don't have to have a very complicated design. Oop, I moved it again. Okay. Okay, you don't have to have a complicated design to actually have one. Okay, so and all you need to do is just dry it on your lamp again, and then it should be good. All right, so let's go ahead and do one more nail. We'll do it over here. Okay, I'll just grab like a bunch of them like that. Okay. Okay, and then maybe just clean it up a little bit. All right, so let's try this. Okay, I'm grabbing one over there. Second one. So while it's not dry, you can still move it around. There. So maybe I'll just move this one over here a little bit. There. There you go. Here you go. All right, guys. So what do you guys think? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just finish up the other hand and also put this in the lamp, and I will be back. All right. So I have completed my nails, and this is how it looks like. There you go. There you go. So on the left side, I put a different kind of like rhinestones, kind of like yellowish. See that? And the other one's kind of like in a darker color. I mean, it's very simple. I didn't do something complicated. I mean, I can copy something else online, but I think I like you know, like this simple kind of rhinestones easier as well to finish. Anyway, let me know what you think about this video for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell as well so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Until my next video, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you again soon. Bye.